making the definition of the muscle. So because the horse is obviously stretching down to the turf, or the grass to eat it. So we all stretch at one point with our own necks. Let's just knock off a little bit of dust and pastel that's got on. And one little turn around the cheek. You can see that. A bit of a nostril. The eye. Quite bony around the eye socket. As you work the soffit, as you work the material in, the pan pastel, you tend to make it lighter on the dot from the dock across the back. That's where the light will tend to be. The top edges of the horse. So we'll leave that as is. Just here. I'll put our razor on in a moment to then give that again a high point, depending on what light direction. Normally the sun is beating down on the back of on the top of the horse's back, depending on where it is, mind, in the day. And then a hint of the feathers. Be careful not to get too much, although saying that, we're going to use the eraser at some point in a moment. Let's blow that away a moment. No, we didn't shut the video there. If I did, sorry, apologies. And gently put this on and try to create those feathers, very light touch, just using the tip here. And then a bit heavier under there. Right, we're done around there. Put on that. Here we get our eraser, needed rubber again. So we can then make it into a slight point, so we can then get into the detail. Take off the back a bit. Put that on there. Angle it slightly at a paper. So we'll give it an impression that the horse has got a bit of a coat. Obviously there's quite high points around the shoulders of the horse. The throat itself and the throat latch is dark in a way. The cheeks as well. Don't need to